While Xiaomi has been busy launching their new laptop and fitness tracker, Redmi's been hard at work too. They unveil new Redmi 9 in Europe, and in this video let's see Redmi what has to offer on this one. Let's now get started. There has been quite a bit of experimenting with the Redmi lineup, and that continues with the Redmi Note 9. This time this look like a Poco X2 minus the glass back. Yes, we have a plastic body with rear mounted fingerprint scanner. Just like the Redmi A, that's what we get here. But we have jumped from the dual to quad cameras. More on the cameras in a bit. For now, let's see what we have in the front. Under the hood, we have MediaTek Helio G80 chip running the show. It sounds familiar because it is the same chip we had on the Realme Narzo 10. Well, that phone did have some optimization issues. The raw benchmark scores as well as the gaming performance is quite good. One thing that must be kept in mind though, Narzo 10 had a HD Plus display. But the G80 here on the Redmi 9 were evolved more pixels to push with that. Being said that, this is still a sizable step up from the Snapdragon 439 on the Redmi 8 combined with MIUI 12. This should offer decent performance. The dual-core Mali G52 GPU should be much better for gaming compared to the Adreno 505. We have a larger 6.53-inch IPS LCD display compared to the 6.22-inch panel on the Redmi 8. Redmi has also upgraded at the resolution HD Plus to Full HD Plus. The design though remains the same and the protection is actually kinda downgraded. The Redmi 9 comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 instead of Corning Gorilla Glass 5, that's it. Based on the renders, we seem to have thinner side bezels and a smaller chin. Up top, there is a water drop notch. Redmi called this dot drop notch display. Inside this tiny notch, there is a 8 megapixel selfie camera. This seems to be the same hardware from the Redmi 8. There is also a dedicated microSD card slot for added expansion. The IR blaster and the headphone jack have been retained, so was the Type-C port. The European version here even gets NFC. When it comes to battery, the increase is negligible. 5020 mAh up from 5000 on the Redmi 8. And just like with that phone, we again get support for 18W fast charging, and a 10W charger is included in the box. The larger screen here means the Redmi 9 is taller and wider, but Redmi is managed to share a bit on thickness. Weight has increases 10 grams. Talking about the camera, the primary here is the 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture, as we already seen on Redmi 8 as That doesn't seems to be much upgrade from 12 megapixel snapper from Redmi 8. In fact, that one comes with wider f1.8 aperture. Moving on, we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, and the final two sensors are 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. We also have few new features like kaleidoscope function and an open palm gesture for taking selfies that Redmi calling palm shutter. Overall, the Redmi 9 seems like a pretty solid upgrade to the Redmi 8. It supports a more powerful processor, a larger and higher resolution display with quad rear camera, with all things retaining we all like about Redmi 8. The European price for the Redmi 9 is 149 euros, which converts to 12,800 rupees approx. So what do you guys think of Redmi 9? Did you like the changes or you expecting something more? Let me know on the comment section below. And with that, we get to the end of this video. Thumbs up for this video. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.